Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Moon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling fed up with life, frustrated with circumstance, insecure about your body, about your finances, about your ability to be successful in some endeavor, feel lonely, like you can't connect, feel isolated, maybe you feel numb, as if you don't feel anything at all. Perhaps you feel angry at the divisiveness, the division of the world. Perhaps you feel irritated with your family or friends, co-workers, peers. Perhaps you feel sad about a loss, lack, or limitations. And maybe you even feel joyful today. Whatsoever you feel, you're not alone in those feelings. Millions, if not billions, of people around the world that can relate, can empathize, and on some level understand. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust, come back to love, come back to being grateful for the blessings that is already here. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware, present, and comfortable. Becoming aware of your space, all the colors, texture, temperature, sensation of touch, sensation of sound. You can gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, recognizing how you feel in this moment. Becoming aware. Dropping the shoulders, opening your chest, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, bringing a smile, smiling at the anxieties, the negativity, the insecurities. All is welcome. Shame, guilt, anger, welcoming all of it like old friends. breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in strength. Exhale, letting go. Sometimes letting go is the strongest thing that you can do. Letting go of the past, letting go of the future, as you come back to the here and now. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for others. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of fear. Breathing in light. And exhale, feeling yourself light. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your hands and feet. Breathing in, feeling the belly, chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Relaxing your jaw. Breathing in peace. And exhaling that peace into your space, filling your space with more calm and relaxed energy. Slowing down. Becoming aware of your posture. Becoming aware of your awareness itself. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Every cell in your body inhaling. Exhale, letting go, releasing, softening. Becoming aware. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Returning home with the sound of the bell. Returning back to your heart with the sound of the bell. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. very slowly, very softly, exhale, let go. For a few moments, I want you to bring all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself. And letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, coming back into your space, aware of the beauty that you carry already. It's already there. The color for today is a rainbow. The number is 1 trillion. And the animal for today is a lion. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Thank you for joining me across time and space. I hope that this video helped you relax and remember that you already have inside you what you're looking for in the outer circumstance, that you can be resisting circumstance and saying, I'm not gonna feel okay until this circumstance changes. But sometimes we have to change inside first, and then the outer circumstance will follow suit. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.